here is an expression involving imaginary numbers that we have to simplify. Here we go. I'm going to have to do something with the bottom of this because to get rid of the imaginary parts on the bottom, and I'm also going to have to multiply the top out. So I'll start off, first line I'll just multiply the top out and see what I get. So first of all I'm going to get 3 2s are 6 plus 3i minus 4i and minus 2i squared. And on the bottom I haven't done anything yet. I will just simplify again that top line. Now the i's are the middle part, plus 3 and minus 4i. On the right hand end here, I squared is minus 1. So we have minus 2 times minus 1, which is plus 2. So I've got 6 plus 2, which is 8. And then I've got minus I over 4 plus 4i. And now I'm going to try and make the bottom of this all a real number. So I'm going to multiply by the conjugate of the bottom number. So that is multiplied by 4 minus 4i, 4 minus 4i. So I'm multiplying by 1, so I don't change the value, but I do change the way it looks because we try and get rid of anything imaginary underneath. And multiplying, top row, you get 8 4 is 32 minus 32i minus 4i, and then we get minus times a minus, that's a plus 4i squared. And on the bottom, because we've deliberately chosen the conjugate, what we've got is the difference of two squares. We've got 4 plus 4i times 4 minus 4i. So that's the difference of the two squares. So we've got the first one squared, that's 4 squared, which is 16, minus the second one squared, which is 4i squared. I'll come to that in a second. Okay, simplifying the top again. What we've got now is 32. Now 4i squared is 4 times minus 1, so that's minus 4, and 32 minus 4 is 28. We've got minus 32i minus another 4i, that's minus 36i, and we are divided by 16 minus 4i squared. Now 4i squared, squared like that, is 16 times minus 1, which is minus 16. But when you take away your 4i squared, you get minus 16, which is plus 16. So on the bottom we get 16 plus 16, which is 32. Just about there now. Looks like 4 goes into all of those numbers, so let's divide 4 in. 4 in goes 28, 7 minus 9i, 4 divided by 8. And finally I'll separate it out into its real and imaginary parts. So we've got 7/8 minus 9/8 I, and that